Microsoft Word in my Windows computer, and I'm going to show you how to create the safety pin symbol. So for creating a safety pin symbol, you must go to your computer, open Microsoft Word and type like this 1F9 F7. So you must type like this 1F9 F7. So after typing like this, you can see in your keyboard, this is the alt key and this is the S key. So one of your fingers should be in this alt key and another is in this S key. So you must press these two keys at the same time. So if you press these two keys at the same time, then you can see that this will be the result. That is, we created a safety pin symbol in MS Word. So remember, you must type like this 1F9 F7, and after that you must press these two keys at the same time, then this will be the result of this video. See one more video, subscribe. Thank you.